everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, a platform where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and in today's video I will be walking you through some simple steps to tag someone on Instagram Reels. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and before I start, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. So let's start with the video. To tag someone on Instagram Reels, you have to open the Instagram app and you simply have to create an Instagram Reel. So just go to the Reels section. You can either use the camera icon in the top right to create a new reel on the spot, or you can even upload a pre-recorded reel if you have, a pre-recorded video if you have. Alright, so that's up to you. I'm just recording one right now for this tutorial. So let's say this is the reel that I upload on Instagram. Press preview, and now here, as you can see, in case of Instagram stories, you get the option to tag anyone using the sticker at the top, but in Instagram Reels you can't do that. Alright, even if you will press the sticker at the top, you will not get the option to mention anyone. Alright, so that's how you cannot tag someone in your reel. For that, you have to press next once you are done with the editing, and here in this section you will get the option to tag people. So you just have to press that, and here you will get two options: add tag and invite collaborator. If you have collaborated with someone on Instagram through this reel, you can simply tap on this and you can invite them. Alright, so this way they will also share your reel on their profile, alright, with their followers. And if you simply want to tag someone on your Instagram reel, simply tap on add tag, and then here you have to search for the person you want to tag in your Instagram reel. It can be anyone, alright, a public account, any account you want to tag, even any influencer's account or a celebrity's account. So you just have to select any name, and as you can see, the person has been added. Now if you will press the check mark icon in the top right, this will tag them in your Instagram reel. As you can see their name, you will see their name next to tag people, and you can add as many as people as you want. Alright, so that's how you can easily tag people in your Instagram reel. The only thing left to do is to press share, and your reel will be shared, and the person will be notified that you have tagged them in your Instagram reel. Alright, so if they want, they will share it on their story, and so and so. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you have any doubts, issues, queries or feedback related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.